Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to use Cash App on DoorDash, making your ordering experience seamless and easy. First, let's set up your Cash App account. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play, and follow the prompts to create your account. Now, let's link your Cash App to DoorDash. Open DoorDash, go to Payment Options, and add Cash App as your preferred payment method. Next, navigate the DoorDash app to find the restaurant of your choice and add items to your cart. At checkout, select Cash App as your payment method to complete your order. Review your order details and hit Confirm. Your purchase is secured through Cash App. Once your order is placed, you can track its delivery status right in the app, ensuring you're always updated. If you encounter payment issues, check your Cash App balance first. Ensure your card is active or reach out to customer support. Here are some useful tips. Always verify your payment method and keep your app updated for the best experience. That's it. You're all set to use Cash App on DoorDash. Give it a try and enjoy effortless food ordering.